Hey guys, it's Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. I am super excited because today we're cooking on the Weber grill. We're gonna make some amazing Monterey chicken, but I'll tell you what, we have a special twist because I am a multitasker, right? When I fire up the grill, I wanna cook once and eat 2 or 3 times. So today we're gonna make a little bit extra chicken. We're gonna show off that Monterey chicken, but we're gonna show you a couple ways to use some leftover chicken, really making meal prep so much easier, so much faster, and getting your family fed when you're super busy and you're in a hurry. Okay, ingredient flyover time. We're gonna start off with 3 chicken breasts, and I made sure I got some nice thick chicken breasts because we're gonna show you a great tip on how to slice those. Today, we're gonna season them off with tiki, really giving them a fun Hawaiian feel. Then, as we always do, a little bit of that canola olive oil blend. Now, we're gonna take them out to the Weber, get them all grilled, and when it's time, we're gonna glaze them with our high altitude barbecue sauce. We're gonna top them with some partially cooked bacon, which will finish off nicely. We're gonna hit them with some diced tomatoes at the end for garnish, but here's my cheese tip of the day. We asked for that Monterey Jack, right? Shredded, but I'll tell you, if you have Colby Jack that comes sliced, absolutely go and use that. You will be fine either way. Hey, make sure you have a extra container today because like I said, we're cooking once, eating twice. This is gonna come in handy when it comes time to store that chicken. When you buy chicken, one of the things you have to worry about is, how am I gonna get this thick part to cook as fast as that thin part? Well, I lay the chicken breast down horizontally on the cutting board, use a thin boning knife, and I'm just gonna cut through here to basically make 2 fillets, but look at that. Now they're gonna cook equally. We have the chicken all sliced. Now it's time to kind of rub it or make a kind of a marinade, right? So a little bit of oil, just enough to coat. We don't want too much oil on there. And now we'll go ahead and add that tiki. Now for the 3 chicken breasts, I said about 4 tablespoons, but really go as much or as little as you like. We know that you want to make this your meal and adjust your seasoning to your family's level. So we'll get this set. Now, this is going to sit for about a half hour. We'll head out and get the Weber started up, let it heat and get set, and then we're coming back. It's chicken time. All right, so we're gonna cook at 450 degrees today, so we'll go ahead and get this turned on, get the Weber Genesis E325 fired up, ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and close the lid now. We'll let it heat up 450 degrees. The Weber is preheated to 450 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and lay that chicken on there. Now, because this chicken is so thin, because we cut it down, we're gonna go about 3 to 4 minutes on this first side. One of the visual cues you know when it's time to start flipping is you'll see that chicken turn white around the edges. So you see those visual cues, right? You can see some of that albumin protein. That's that white protein in chicken. Now we know it's time to flip. So we'll go ahead and flip these guys. It's been about 4 minutes on that first side. We're gonna go ahead and let it go for 4 minutes on this side. When we come back, time to top them. Let's go ahead now. We know these are done. We're gonna glaze them up here. So a little bit of high altitude barbecue sauce. Let's go ahead and brush that glaze on there. Get all these guys set. Oops, little bit. Perfect. We'll take a little off there, get these guys all glazed up. Now it is time to go ahead and get these finished off. All right, we've got them glazed. So what I like to do is cut that bacon in half. That way I get a little bit better coverage. So we'll go ahead, add the bacon on there, then time to put the cheese on, let it melt. We've only got a couple minutes left here just to give it a chance to melt. All right, now comes that Monterey Jack cheese. Go ahead and get this melted. Hey, looking ain't cooking. So once you get that cheese on there, we're gonna go ahead and close the lid, let it melt. We'll come back when it's time to grab these guys off the grill. Cheese is all melted. We've got a couple loaded up on a sheet pan. Time to get back in the kitchen. Next, we're gonna show you how to finish off the Monterey chicken, and then a couple great tips on how to use a little bit of that leftover chicken as well. I am a grill multitasker, that is for sure. I'm all about that cook once, eat multiple times. So we started off with the chicken for tonight's Monterey. We did a little bit extra, so I was able to cool it, store it in the fridge, and save it for later because I came up with things like that beautiful chicken salad and then those ultimate grab-and-go tacos. The Monterey chicken today absolutely delivers, and the cool part, I'm doing this on rice. You could absolutely serve it over potatoes as well, but we did it all on the Weber, really utilizing that grill to get everything done. Hey, I'm Chef Jason Morse, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Don't forget, you can subscribe to our Ace Hardware YouTube channel. That will make sure when you click those notifications that you don't miss out on any of our videos because we've got great videos coming up for you every week. And then don't forget, leave your questions and comments down below. Tell us what would you like to learn and how we can be more helpful as well. Then that little eye that pops up, that's gonna be our info station, but it also means this recipe is shoppable. So it is gonna let you know all the gear, gadgets, grills, barbecue sauces, and more that you can click and find at your local Ace Hardware. Then Coming up, we have some more fantastic Weber recipes, really designed to make you a rock star in the backyard. Thanks so much for hanging out with us. I appreciate it. I have to do this every video for the team. It's what I call taking it for the team. A little bit of quality control. I'll tell you, we used that shredded cheese today. That Monterey Jack absolutely made this perfect. Cheers.